What up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. Found this awesome chuck steak last night for $5. Marked down like $2.50. So, doing it up. Check this out too. Got some broccoli. Yeah. Alright, here we go. And that's what we're dealing with so far. Just flipped it over. Yeah, look at that crust. Looking awesome. Fucking A. And there it is, guys. Just waiting for that steak to rust a few more minutes. And I will dig right the fuck in. Yeah. Got the steak sauce too. The crystal steak sauce. Dude, A1 is made by Kraft. Do not buy Kraft. You're supporting the bad guys if you buy Kraft. So, see if you can find this or whatever that's not Kraft. Know what I mean? What up? Chronic Eats is back. For another fucking mukbang. Yeah, motherfucker. So, yeah, that steak. Here we go. Chuck steak. Yeah. Look at that. Alright, and with the steak sauce. And you guys know they call chuck steak the poor man's ribeye, right? Yeah. So good. Yep, I saved like $2.50 on this from the crazy price. Get that clearance price. Yeah. Got the broccoli. Gotta scope out these deals, guys. They're like every day. If you time it right. You know? Motherfucking chuck steak. Hang on, let me get the light on the other side. See that better? A little pink, slightly. I don't know, whatever. Like I always say, still fucking beef. Still hella fucking good. Fucking A. So, I didn't do a baked potato this time. Because I'd have to do that for like 40 minutes before I start cooking the steak, you know. Wouldn't have been a big deal if I remember, or I had a potato here. But I didn't want to go to the store today. Like, fuck that, I'm chilling. Plenty of food here. Why fucking go to the store, right? No baked potato today. Just this fat chuck steak and some broccoli for this video. I'm sitting on a bunch of food right now. Gotta use it. Yeah. So this chuck steak was like just over $5. Can't beat that, right? Beats paying like $8. So fucking good, you guys. Just gotta take a little break. Smells driving these dogs crazy. Isn't it? Yeah. Is that shit driving you crazy? Fucking delicious, dude. So I did this 4 minutes aside, then put it in the oven at like 350 for like 4 minutes too. Turned out perfect. The way I like it anyway. You know? So, no camping gear. Check it out. I used to make a bunch of stoner t-shirts back in the day. And I still have some in my own collection. I still got some left too. But I don't have a website anymore. Like I did like 10 years ago. But I've still got a few of them. I don't even know if my guys are still making shirts. They like kind of closed down with the whole COVID thing. And we're just scared of being around people. Always worried about your mask being on and shit. So I don't know what's up with them. They might have shut down business or something. Kind of sucks, but I don't have a easy access to make t-shirts now like I used to. I might. I just gotta call them. But I'm really not holding my holding out for that, you know. So good. Another mukbang. So I guess mukbanging is you gotta turn your camera on as you go through the drive-thru and then stay on the whole time. Fuck it, I'm mukbanging at home. You don't need no friggin' drive-thru. Trying to cut this shit. There we go. So fucking good. My goodness. Beef is so good. Mmm. 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 So chronic. Jesus. So just remember that, guys. Chuck steak is like the poor man's ribeye. I don't know the cuts or anything or where they come from. That's just what I've heard. If you want to know bad enough, go ahead and look it up, right? We're on the internet, right? We are on the internet. YouTube, second largest search engine in the world, or most used, or whatever the terminology is. Shit's kind of tough. It's still really delicious. Mmm. So bomb. Mmm. What? Come here. Here's Paris. Say what's up, Paris. Say what's up, bud. These dogs are so cool. Mmm. Come here. Angel's not down. Be on camera. There she is. Here's Angel. Sweetest dog in the world. Paris is pretty sweet too, but Angel's just a little step up. Just a little step up. They're so awesome, you guys. I love these dogs. Yeah, bud. Alright, guys. I'm out. Thanks for coming back, watching this fucking mukbang. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world. Please leave a fucking comment. Check out one of these next videos on screen. And I will see you guys next time. I love you. Chronic Eats out. Peace.